Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix voicemail not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, clear voicemail cache. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search voicemail. Now click on voicemail, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache voicemail, clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset network settings, click on settings. After click on reset settings, network settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install, click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.